One of the most crucial tasks for e-commerce business managers is the supply chain management. Starting from inventory management to logistics, there are several complexities. When you add product customization feature in your web store, there is an additional layer within the supply chain cycle. In order to deliver the right product to the right customer at the right address within the given timeline, you require a sophisticated system to manage the order processing autonomously. Rush Your Ideas is happy to present a scalable web-to-print ERP solution for all your needs. Our web-to-print ERP is an Odoo-based solution. Automate inventory management, printing files, printing orders and logistics using our ERP suite. Some of the top features of our web-to-print ERP includes one-click inventory management, customer management, manufacturing order management, work process routing, custom job status for submitted print jobs, print-ready files generation, print-ready file download, print-ready file delivery, Preflight, multiple shipping connections, create shipping rules. It is easy to configure and customize for your needs, and if you need assistance, our team would certainly be there for you.